In this video, we're going to look at finding the general term of an arithmetic sequence using the formula. Okay, so just before I start this, I would advise you to use the other method, which is a lot faster. But if you can't remember that method, you are given this formula up here, Tn equals A plus n minus 1 times D, in your formula books. So if you can't remember the faster method, then you need to be able to use this formula. Okay, so in this question we have 3, 5, 7 and 9. So we can see from looking at that it's going up in twos. So the difference is going to be 2. The first term, A, we can see is 3. So that means we have enough now to put into the formula. So Tn is equal to A, so our first term, plus then n minus 1 times the difference. In this question we have A is 3 plus n minus 1 times our difference now, which is 2. Now let's expand this bracket. So it could be helpful maybe to write the 2 on the other side. Okay, because when you're expanding brackets it normally looks like that. So then we'll have 3 plus 2 times n is 2n. 2 times minus 1 would be minus 2. Simplify here, so we'll have 2n. Then 3 minus 2 will be plus 1. So Tn is equal to 2n plus 1. Now, if I need to find T8, just substitute in 8 instead of n. So I'm trying to find the 8th term of this sequence. So we'll have 2 times 8 plus 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 then is 17. Okay, and that's my answer. Okay, let's have a look at another one. Okay, so here we need to find Tn, an expression for the nth term of this number sequence. So we can see the difference in this one now is actually minus 3. So our difference is equal to minus 3, and A, our first term, is equal to 16. Okay, so let's write the formula. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. So we'll have 16 plus n minus 1 times minus 3. So again, I'm just going to bring the minus 3 to the other side of the bracket because we're used to writing it like that. Okay, so let's expand the bracket. Notice as well, I got rid of the plus because when the minus 3 goes in front, I'll have plus minus 3, and that means it just becomes minus 3. Okay, so let's expand the bracket. I'll have minus 3n, minus 3 times minus 1 will be plus 3. Instead of that, 16. Okay, so then I'll have Tn is equal to minus 3n. 16 plus 3 now is plus 19. And that's the nth term of that sequence. Okay, then if I want to find the 10th term, so T10 is equal to sub in 10 now instead of n. So minus 3 times 10 plus 19. And that is minus 11. So again, I'd advise you to use the faster way, but if you cannot use the faster way, you're given the formula in the logbooks and it's easy enough to sub in, so there's no reason why you can't be getting full marks in these questions. Okay, any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you.